How to add Exness account on MT5. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app, and now you'll be able to see a settings option at the bottom right corner of this section. So let's tap on that settings icon, and now you can see there is a new account at very top shown in the screen. So let's tap on that new account, and you simply need to search for your broker name or your server name. So let me search Exness in search bar. So now you can see there is lots of options of Exness broker account in here. So you can choose any of them according to your region and server. So for example, let me choose the very first one for now. And now you can see it is asking us for our login ID and our password. So you simply need to enter your login ID and password. And once you complete your credentials, simply click on login, and you will be able to log in successfully. You can see the sign in button hasn't been enabled because I haven't entered my credentials in here. But if you have your credentials and if you enter it, your sign in button will be enabled successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to add your Exness account on MT5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.